In this video, you'll learn how to install Teamviewer on Ubuntu in just a few minutes, so you can start remotely controlling computers right from your Linux machine. First, open your browser on Ubuntu and go to teamviewer.com/download. The website will automatically detect that you're using Linux, and you'll see download options specifically built for Ubuntu and other Linux distributions. Next, download the deb package for Ubuntu. Click the Ubuntu Debian option and save the file to your Downloads folder. This is the official Teamviewer installer package designed to work seamlessly with your system. Now, open your terminal. You can press Ctrl+Alt+T or search for Terminal in your Apps menu. Once it's open, navigate to your Downloads folder by typing cd downloads and pressing Enter. After that, install the package by typing sudo dpkg.i teamviewer_amd64.db and pressing Enter. Enter your password when prompted. If you see any dependency errors, run sudo apt fix broken install to fix them. Once the installation is complete, launch Teamviewer from your Apps menu. Sign in with your account, accept the license agreement, and your Teamviewer ID and password will appear, ready for remote connections. And that's it. Teamviewer is now installed on your Ubuntu system and ready to connect with computers anywhere in the world.